Hey YouTube, welcome back to another fingerstyle ukulele tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to play Guaranteed by Vedder. Let's jump in. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you like this, you're going to love the tab sheet that I put up on patreon.com. Makes it that much easier to learn and play this song. There's going to be some pretty sick giveaways for you patrons out there, so thank you so much, you guys who are supporting me on Patreon. And if you're not there yet, you still have a chance to enter, and it's still a chance to win. Alright guys, we will catch you next time.